What if every decision you made felt easy, fast, and right on target? Today, you'll see how AI transforms mountains of data into razor-sharp insights in seconds. Hi, I'm Don Ryder, and if you've ever lost hours digging through spreadsheets, stick around. By the end of this clip, you'll know how to leverage AI so you can gain control and stop guessing and start deciding. Step 1. Feed your raw data into an AI engine. That could be sales reports, customer reviews, or website analytics. The AI instantly cleans up duplicates, fills in missing values, and groups your data into meaningful categories. Take L'Oreal, for example. They used AI to process thousands of customer reviews, automatically tagging sentiment and surfacing product issues in real time. What used to take a team days to complete now happens in minutes. Notice how this messy spreadsheet takes ages to understand, and the confusion causes you to second guess the data. Compare this to an AI-powered dashboard, auto-generated charts and real-time trend alerts, all cleanly laid out for you to grasp the essential details so that you can act immediately. Now that your data's cleaned up, it's time to pull out the gold, insights you can act on. Step 2. Drill down into insights. Want to know which customer segment drives 60% of your revenue or which marketing channel delivers the highest ROI? One click and your question is solved. Step 3. Now you can make the call. Armed with AI insights, you no longer guess. You decide, you pivot, you dominate. It's that simple. Companies using AI-driven decision tools effectively can expect to cut decision-making time, increase revenue by double digits, and find unknown data that can be turned into planned gains. So what have you found to be your biggest data hurdle? Share it in the comments, and let's see how our community can help you solve it. If you would like more business solutions, tap like, hit subscribe, and join a growing community of marketers making smarter moves with AI. Next week, we're unlocking AI tips to skyrocket your ROI. See you then.